Hello folks, today we're talking about an action camera tripod mount or monopod mount. It's the VIZEMO 2-pack aluminum tripod / monopod mount. They're aluminum, they're metal, they're not going to crack and leave you stranded. You'll have these for a long time. They're thumbscrew threaded. They're a mount adapter for a tripod. They're for a GoPro Hero 11, 9, 10, 8, whatever has the little fork mount at the bottom. Even your Insta 360s and GoPro Fusions will work with them. I have another brand of these and I really like them. I saw these on Amazon and decided to give them a try as well. They're very well made. As you can see from the picture, they didn't come with one but two Allen wrenches, so they're quality. Thinking about you. I really like these. I'm going to use these regularly and I highly recommend them. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this helpful.